Okay, I wanted to draw your attention to your resources for this paper, the argument persuasion paper, and talk about plagiarism for just a moment. I cannot stress the importance enough that you get your sources in. Not citing sources or citing them incorrectly is plagiarism, and you could receive a 0 for the paper if you do not do this. So there are 3 sources here that are linked that will help you with this issue. Of course, the sample papers show the use of sources within a paper in the works cited pages. So of course, pay attention to those. Also, there's a 3 here. What is plagiarism? That's probably a pretty good place to start. Okay. Let's see which one here. And it just talks about what plagiarism is, and then it has some other information that can help you. Okay. And then there is this MLA parenthetical citation. So these are the quick starts. These are what I would certainly look at if I were you. So this one shows you literally how to go about making sure that your sources are cited properly within your paragraphs. Okay. Take a look at that. It's just a short, simple document. Okay, so for those of you who need more explanation, or you want to really just to study this issue and make sure that you are not making any of these errors, take a look at the MLA PP. So that's a PowerPoint, okay? And it's a whole PowerPoint that deals with this whole issue, incorporating sources, how to go about doing that, how to cite them properly. It has examples of what to do and what not to do. Okay, and so you can work through these as you wish, okay, so that you understand how to do this. Take it, and listen to the information here, the guidance. You want to use direct quotes sparingly, so don't just fill up your paper with somebody else's words. I don't want to see that. I want to see your words. So ideally, you would have at least one source per body paragraph, right? Because this is a research-based argument. Each of your points, or each of your body paragraphs, should represent a single point that you're making about your topic. And so you would need, in that information area, you would need a source that you are referring to and citing. So make sure that you think about that as you write your paper, and make sure that you're getting your sources in. Pay attention to the MLA parenthetical citations on how to make sure you're citing properly. And of course, take a look at the sample papers and up in here that also show you how to cite properly and put them on the works cited page. Thanks.